Hello, my name is Jennifer Alvarez. Prepare technology negotiation for Jose Gabriel Amara Feliz, Nancy Derly Moncada Duran, and Jennifer Alvarez. Teacher Juan Carlos Mezquita. Definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. The technology can be protected by patents, trademark, design, copyright. Field for copyright, trademark, and patents. Sin confidentiality or licensing contract with employer and parents. C. 8. Assignment agreement with developers. Look into score code license. Implement security measures in education, IP, and warrants among employer. Evaluate method used to establish price and the reason the selection. The method is based on the economic principle of situation with stand and prudent investor. Worldwide would evaluate equally to the cost of creating or acquiring similar assets. Evaluation of the technology intangible asset is related to the cost structure. Among the most used cost class for the evaluation and intangible technology assets are the reproduction cost, meet the replacement on replace method, prevention cost, on trend in store costs. According to Chase A does not take into account the economic benefits related to the product and explication of intangible asset. V. It is based on presumption that a spread most general value and too necessary to always happen. C. The cost most assumed time the level of effectiveness of investment made in the possible of examine in future. Conclusion. The importance of prepare the technology or negotiation of technology to achieve the best result. Technology in companies play a very important role for the development and growth in the mere wealthy priority to the acquisition of new technology provides tools that support sequence in their implementation. V. Jennifer Alvarez. My classmate, Jose Gabriel Amara, with the activity we learn to identify the document or requirement necessary for the protection of an software, the what a clause must be defined such that a good negotiation. The identification of the item necessary to be able to carry out the agreement for the legalization of software. Thank you.